Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I just want to talk about how you can increase your breast milk supply in one ingredient just within 24 hours, and your milk supply will be full and your baby can be able to gain weight and to get full. If at all this is your first time to click on my channel, please kindly subscribe. I'm sure at mommy out here, have been doing breastfeeding video for a long period. So guys, I'm a mother of number 2, so I want to take you throughout my experience. As you know that I had already a baby, so when it comes to baby information, I'm super pro. Today I'm going to talk about fenugreek. Yeah, fenugreek. This is fenugreek in powder. You can find fenugreek in seeds, but when it comes to seeds, you have to store to keep it in water for a long period. So for me, I have it in powder. I take it in powder form. So guys, I want to take you into this step so that you can increase your breast milk supply with me. Just within 24 hours, you're going to be having enough breast milk supply for your baby, for your newborn. Are you a new mother? This is your second baby and you're saying that you don't have enough milk. Are you a cesarean mother? Because most of the cesarean mothers, due to anesthesias we end up not having enough breast milk. And some pills we take after C-section to heal the fusion or to heal the wound inside it, and it makes us end up not having enough breast milk. So in that case, today I'm going to be showing you how you can mix fenugreek in the best way so that you can get breast milk supply. Okay guys, so we are going to start. I'm going to be showing you live how you can mix it. It's not tasty, but it's not that bitter much, so you can take it. Anyone can take fenugreek seeds and get your milk supply. You can add it into oats, you can add you can add in milk, you can add it in your porridge you take, you can add it in anything that is for you. If at all it's porridge. So guys, let me take you into those steps so that you can make pure breast milk supply. Okay, I want you to have enough flow for your baby. Okay guys, let's get started. Guys, we have our fenugreek here, we have our sugar here. So guys, I'm going to be putting 1 spoon of fenugreek, 1 spoon like this, because for me I don't add in anything, so I'll put it in my cup. I'll come to sugar and I'll take 1 spoon. I don't take enough or too much sugar, so because I want to reduce weight. Remember, sugar can make you not lose weight if at all you're planning to lose weight. But remember, fenugreek can help you to gain the bigger boot and also help you to gain hips. So after that, I'm going to be adding in hot water. I'll remove these ones. Then I'm going to be adding in hot water. So after adding in my hot water, I'm going to start adding it. Okay, so I'm going to be drinking my soup. You can take it when it's very hot as chai or tea, or you can take it when it's warm. Me, I love taking it when it's kind of warm. So I'm going to give it like 5 minutes and then I drink it. Okay, guys. So guys, our 5 minutes have already gone, so I'm going to be taking my fenugreek tea. I told you I want to take it when it's kind of warm. But I'm used to this and I always do take it while breastfeeding my baby girl. So guys, if you want to reduce to increase your breast milk supply. This is very important, and always remember, breast milk is the best food for your baby. Once you give your baby breast milk, you're going to have a healthy baby. Breast milk can treat lots of diseases, infection, ear infection, skin rashes, hackings for the baby, flu, cough. Breast milk can help you treat all those diseases. So when you're, if I tell you, if you're sick as a mother, you always have to be taking your antibiotics, you're taking your medicine, but you always have to keep on breastfeeding unless you have a colitic disease. But if not that, you're supposed to breastfeed your baby to the fullest. You always have to breastfeed your baby to the fullest, even if you're sick. You understand, guys? So here I'm going to be giving you each and every day, something you should take and increase your breast milk supply. Because I may be talking about fenugreek, yet it's very hard for you to find fenugreek. And some other people, it's easy for them to find fenugreek. So tomorrow I'll be talking about something else. I'll be talking about a lot of things when it comes to breast sensation, when it comes to breastfeeding part. Understand, guys? So tomorrow I'll be talking about something else. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Love you all and can't wait to see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.